Cartea, what we doing, bros?
What's up, y'all? Welcome back. Cook with Cartea, holiday edition. Still, man, y'all back for another recipe, another holiday edition recipe. And y'all see right here, got my boy with me, air fryer. So for this recipe, I'm gonna reveal what we're doing in a minute. But hopefully, y'all got an air fryer. If you don't got an air fryer, look, Black Friday coming up, holidays coming up, Christmas coming up. Put this on your list. You need an air fryer. You can do anything in this air fryer. And I'm about to show you to the extent we about to go with this air fryer and what we about to make today. So let me show y'all what we got going on. Boom! We got a whole chicken, a young bird. So all we about to do, keep it simple. We gonna season them up, throw them in the air fryer. It's only a couple steps, really. So let's go ahead and get this bird seasoned up. We'll throw them in the air fryer. We're gonna get cooking. So let's go. All right, so let's go ahead and get our season. What we gonna season the chicken up with? We're gonna throw everything right here in this jar. Salt, pepper, of course, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, dried oregano. Then we're gonna throw some dry thyme in there too. There's the rest of it. I'm gonna add a little basil and then a little bit of chili powder. You don't have to throw the chili powder in there, but it's just gonna give it a little bit of a kick. Just a little bit. Then, last but not least, there's a little bit of brown sugar. All right, so we got the bird cleaned up, dried up. So, like I said, it's gonna be pretty simple. We're gonna start off, throw some oil on him. Get up under the wings, all that. Toss that oil in there. Flip them over. Oil this side up too. That's good. So now we're gonna come in, get our seasoning in there. We're gonna start off, we're gonna throw a decent amount of seasoning on the inside. Because we still want to let those aromatics come from the inside as well. So get some seasoning in there, boom. Then we're just going to season them all up. Real generous with the seasoning because we want to cover this whole bird. Wings too, under the wings. Like I said, don't miss them spots. Don't miss no spot. You want every part of the bird covered up good. So that looked pretty good. So flip him over. And let's hit this side. All right, y'all. So we about to start cooking. Let's go ahead and get it in the air fryer. Spray that air fryer real decent. I got that canola oil spray. Spray it down. Let's go ahead and get it in there. All right, y'all, so we got our bird in there. Chest side down first. We're gonna start like that. So, air fryer set at 375. We're gonna let it cook. Like I said, chest down first. Let that cook about 40-45 minutes. We're gonna come back, check on it, flip it over to the back. Then we're gonna let it cook for about another maybe 15 minutes. We're gonna check that temp. As long as it's 165 on the inside, we good. See y'all in 45 minutes. So in this air fryer, I forgot this the XL. So we was in there 375 for about 25 minutes. Y'all see the skin. Y'all hear that crispiness. We just gonna flip it over, chest side up, and then we probably gonna come in for another 15 minutes. So let's get it flipped over. Flip like that. Smelling good already. Now, we back in the air fryer. 375 still, 15. It got about 20 minutes left on there. So we gonna go 10 minutes, then we gonna check on it, see what it's looking like. 15 minutes. If it's still not done, we gonna go to 15 minutes, or we might just go to full 20. So let's get it back up in here. Finish cooking. So look, we here. We got a whole chicken that we just made in the air fryer. So we pulled it that first time, after that first 20-25 minutes on 375. We flipped it over, chest side up, and then we cooked it the rest of the way through. What I didn't tell y'all was I brought the temperature back down. I brought it down to, instead of 375 where we started at, I brought it down to 350 because this air fryer is a little bit stronger than the other ones. It's the XL joint. So I brought it down to 350. And I let it cook the rest of the way, about like 20 minutes, roughly 25 minutes, extra few minutes for on 350. So after that, checked it, temp at 165, perfect cook. That's where you want to be. Right now, chicken's still hot. We just pulled it, let it rest for about 10 minutes, let those juices settle. When we cut it in, it's gonna be real juicy. So I'm excited to get this taste. In 10 minutes, we're gonna come back and we're gonna get a taste. So I'll see y'all in a minute.
Cartea, what we doing, bros?
Alright, y'all, we here. We at the end of the road. Yeah, you already know. We just got done making that chicken in the air fryer, man. And you see, that taste test, that chicken good. It's juicy. The seasoning, the spice is perfect. It's spot on. So look, let's say, since we still holiday edition, let's say you don't want to make no big turkey. You know what I'm saying? You don't know which meat option to make. You might not eat ham, or you know, people might not eat ham, or whatever the case may be. If you do have an air fryer, go ahead and throw one of them chickens in there. Season it up however you want to do it. Those herbs, you know, however you want to spice it up or sauce it up, do it like that. But this is an easy way right here. You can grab 1, 2 of those chickens and you seen the cook only took less than an hour. So if you want to go ahead, go ahead and follow with this recipe, go ahead. It's not gonna steer you wrong. I appreciate y'all once again with another one. Cook with Cartea Holiday Edition. Hey, even though holidays is creeping up on us, it's only a few days away. Yet I say again, we still not done with these holiday recipes. So make sure y'all stay tuned for what's yet to come. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what y'all want to cook. We still got more holiday recipes, so throw them holiday recipes in there. I'm gonna see y'all on the next one. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Cook with Cartea Holiday Edition. See y'all on the next one. That leg right there, that dark meat.